Straight Talk operates on a prepaid model where you pay upfront for data, talk, and text allowances. When you run out of high speed data before your plan renews, you can refill it by purchasing additional data, such as 1 gigabytes for $5 or 5 gigabytes for $20. You can do this mid cycle through the Straight Talk app, website, or at Walmart stores, with activation usually being instant. Add-ons are extras like international roaming for $10 per month or unlimited texting boosts, which you can add through the app or by contacting customer service. As of September 2025, Straight Talk offers a data boost anytime feature in the app for on-demand data, replacing the old monthly add-on system on some plans. Many users refill data monthly, averaging $15 per refill, making it a convenient way to manage your service. Instead of just refilling data, consider upgrading your Straight Talk plan. This lets you switch to a higher data tier at any time. For example, move from a $35 plan with 10 gigabytes to a $55 plan with 22 gigabytes. You'll be charged a prorated amount for the upgrade. Upgrading can be more cost-effective if you consistently need more data. To upgrade, use the Straight Talk app or website. Remember, maintaining a positive balance is crucial to avoid service suspension, and autopay makes refills and upgrades easier. Also, higher tier plans now include Verizon's 5G ultra wideband, which is something to keep in mind when deciding which plan is best for you.